Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and on today's video, as you guys can see, I am finally going to be reviewing the Foreo Sweden UFO. This video is a little bit later than I promised you guys, and I'm sorry, but honestly with work finally opening up now, I have to learn a bunch of things. I have to do a bunch of tests and everything for that, so I'm learning all the information, and I have 2 jobs, and then like it's just been crazy, but I have been loving this. This was actually perfect, and it couldn't have come at a better time because I love these face masks, and the way you feel after, my skin just feels so like tight but in a good way, and it just helps you relax, even though it's only a 90-second face mask, which is really good because like I mentioned, I have been so busy, but finding 90 seconds is like my happiness. Like I get so happy for those 90 seconds where all the stress and all the learning that I know I need to do and all the things on my to-do list kind of just pause for 90 seconds and I just relax and calm myself. So this literally could not have come in the mail at a better time, and so I'm finally here sitting down ready to film this for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that. Sorry that it is late, but better late than never, you know? Super quickly guys, before I continue and get right into this video, I can't believe I forgot to mention this, but basically Clarisonic is closing down. If you don't know what Clarisonic is, they also have like skincare machines and stuff to clean your face, and they are pretty similar to Foreo, but they are shutting down. That I guess they went out of business, I'm not too sure, but Foreo was nice enough to take care of all you Clarisonic clients out there. If you have a Clarisonic machine and you want to upgrade to Foreo and switch over to Foreo because they are a great company, let me just tell you, they have some great stuff. Basically all you have to do is you fill out like a form, take a picture of the Clarisonic that you have, and Foreo will actually send you a coupon. So either you get a discount or a coupon, I'm not too sure which one, but you basically get like credit, so definitely go check that out. I will have all the information linked in the description so you guys can go see, and it is applicable to like all the Lunas, so the Foreo Sweden Luna, the Luna Mini, the 1, 2, 3, the Luna Men as well. So for all you guys out there that have a Clarisonic, definitely check into Foreo Sweden. They have some great products. Obsessed with this one. Just wait till you see the next couple clips. I'm not too sure how long this is going to go on for, but like I said, all the information and links will be down in the description for you guys to check. But okay, without further ado, now let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we are back with no makeup on. I really need this. Yesterday I worked for 13 hours, so I worked at my first job once for 8 hours, and then I had an hour and a half like gap in between until I had to go to my other job, and I didn't get home until 10 at night. And then it is the next day today, and I actually have to go to work later, so I just showered, I did my hair. I just want to do a nice little face mask so I can have it for the couple hours before I do have to go to work. Figured what perfect time than to show you guys how to use this and how I like it and how it works, and you can listen to it because the app talks to you. I already have mine registered, but if you don't have it registered, basically all you have to do is you just add a device, you add which one that you have, click it, and then it'll search via Bluetooth for it. So since mine is already there, we're gonna do this one. Turn on your Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth for your phone, and then also turn this guy on. On this app you can see I have the Make My Day or Call It a Night, because those are the 2 that they had given me. So these are what they look like, the Make My Day and Call It a Night. Both of these retail for $15, and there are 7 total face masks. But honestly, when you use these, you can use them twice. So as you will see after, there's an option to repeat the session, to repeat it again, and you can just use all the leftover product in the little bag that it comes with again and just put it on. That's usually what I like to do. I like to use it twice, or I'll just keep it like this for the next morning, and I'll just pop it really quickly into my skincare fridge. Also, something really good about the UFO is you can use it with non-Foreo face masks. Wanted to mention that. So yeah, it's really great that you don't have to go and buy them, and honestly they do have more expensive ones depending on what you're looking for. They have like a youth one, they have a Manuka honey one, which Manuka honey is really good for your skin and like is very beneficial for you. So I've been trying to get my hands on that, but it's been sold out for so long. I really enjoy these ones. Also, they give you such a good hydration, and honestly I love the tightness and how it makes my skin feel afterwards. So these are definitely 100% something you guys need, and for 90 seconds of your day you need to try it out and you will love it. You'll thank me later. So I'm gonna do the Make My Day one. So what you're gonna do is you just press start, and the camera, as you can see, the camera option pops up because you need to take a picture of the barcode. Boom. So what you want to do next is open your face mask and grab this. You just want to take off the piece from the top like that. grab the sheet mask. Be careful when you open it because there is a lot of product inside of these. Like I said, enough product to use it twice. So you just take out this. There you go. And you can kind of see how it's like this shape, so it guides you on how to put it on the machine, since the machine is that exact same shape. So nice and easy. Just want to put it on. And then grab this with the Foreo logo over. And then boom. You just squish it into place like this. And now you can see all the product and all the greatness that is about to go into your skin. So we do that and then you press start. See how it turns red first of all? I just want to show you that it's red.
Awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
And it doesn't get too hot, but you can definitely feel the heat. Oh, I love it. Do you guys hear that?
Enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic
Do you hear that?
pulsations infuse moisture into your skin
The
for a
pulsations.
radiant, healthy-looking complexion.
And then it turns green.
As the warmth gradually decreases, the anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow.
Yes, we love this. And I'm just going in circular motions, just because I really like circular.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
No, it's stopping.
And repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that, but she just said repeat treatment. So this is the button. Honestly, I want to do it again because I just love it so much, guys. And as you can see, the glow already that my skin has, and this is just the morning one, so the night one is also really good. But honestly, the way that the heat makes you feel and calms you down, and I just get so relaxed. That's why I like being in my robe. Like, I love this really soft robe. I literally feel like I'm in my own little spa and everything. And honestly, this is just so much more affordable and absolutely phenomenal. I 100% recommend this. I will have all the links in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It is an affiliate link, so I would appreciate it so freaking much if you guys wanted to purchase from my link. If not, you can always just Google them and purchase whatever you like from there. Even though I am sponsored, you guys know I give you my 100% honest opinion, and this is just exactly what I needed, especially because it's just been so busy for me. So basically, I'm gonna get all this stuff again, and we're just gonna put it right back on to this mask, and I'm just gonna evenly just move it around the machine just with my fingers. There is a lot of product. I'm just gonna put the product on my face for now. It doesn't leave you really dry. You feel very hydrated. Oh, I just love this. I can't rave enough about this, guys. I have been telling everybody about this. Everybody needs to try this. So we're just gonna do it again.
Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
And honestly, I don't know if you can see, but this kind of moves around with it. You can follow this.
Gradually decreases. The anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow.
Also, TMI, but it is like time of the month where I break out a little bit. So that is what my skin is looking like. It is super glowy and hydrated, and I just love that. Like, look at the freaking glow. My whole face is just glowing and I love it. So then what you want to do is you just want to take it off and discard of the face mask, and then also you can wash this. So just put water. I usually just get a damp like cloth that I use to wash my face. I just damp it and then just rub it around here, make sure all the product and everything is on, because you will see there is still a bit of product on the UFO. But okay guys, that is everything for this video. Shout out to Foreo. Thank you guys so much. This could not have come at a better time. Honestly, this has just been a lifesaver with relaxation and making sure my skin is on point, because A, time of the month, my skin always breaks out, and B, stress. Also, I have been under a lot of stress, so this has really just helped me like cool down, relax for 90 seconds. So yeah, it really has helped, and this could not have come at a better time. So shout out to Foreo. You guys are phenomenal. This is the best, literally the best face mask ever. This is my go-to, and I can't wait to get more face masks and try the different ones that they have, because they have a lot of different options. So don't forget to check them out, link in the description. And also don't forget, if you own a Clarisonic and want an upgrade to Foreo, just fill out the form. Again, it'll be in the description. Take a picture of it and they will get in contact with you. Definitely check out the UFO. Yes, it's a little pricey, and I was a little like skeptical at first to be like the price for it and everything, but honestly it is worth every single penny. That is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.